Most fit for.
मेरा इसीलिए इसका पहले वाला क्लास मेरा रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ। वो पहले कोई Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You? On your video, all of you, okay? सभी अपना वीडियो ऑन करके रखेंगे। सभी अपना वीडियो ऑन करके। Okay, so today our topic is erythrocytia. Okay, erythrocytia means this is a medical term. Okay, and euthanasia means direct intentional killing of a person as part of the medical care being offered. Okay, main will anesthesia also mean the practice of internationally ending a life in order to relieve pain and suffering. Euthanasia can be further classified into voluntary, involuntary, and non-voluntary. Okay, so active and passive. Voluntary euthanasia is based on one's will, like a patient expressed a wish to die, and will involuntary euthanasia is performed without one's request. Okay, and non-voluntary euthanasia means the person is unable to give informed consent, like comatose patient and infants. Okay, so taking deliberate step like injecting lethal medication to end one's life is an active form of euthanasia. So while causing death by withholding life-sustaining treatment like chemotherapy for cancer patient is a passive form. Okay, and the main aim of euthanasia is a let patient die with a dignity. Okay, euthanasia can relieve unbearable suffering from patient with terminal illness in both physical and psychological aspect. Okay, so in most euthanasia case are people with cancer, serious heart or lung problems, or any neurological disease condition, you know. So that time the physical suffering include like pain, exudations, dysplasia, and so on. So psychological suffering are mostly loss of dignity or hopelessness, and the medical treatment is fertile that would not improve their quality of life. So this patient with irreversible physical deteriorations can avoid unnecessary suffering, which is the greatest benefit of adopting euthanasia. Okay, and especially discussion would be divided into 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts, which are first ethical issue for euthanasia. Okay, and developmental milestone of euthanasia in especially other countries, and barriers and facility in legalized, for euthanasia. And 4.1 is framework. Okay, framework for adopting voluntary activity is draft of discuss nurse role in euthanasia and provide a guidelines when euthanasia is legalized in the future. Okay, so understood what is euthanasia? Clear हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है?
Ma'am, show the screen, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, repeat.
Okay.
Repeat.
Euthalassemia is normally बोलना चाहिए direct international killing, intentional killing, okay, or a person as part of the medical care being offered. Okay, means the practice of internationally ending a life in order to relieve pain and suffering. Okay, and this is a mainly 4 types. Okay, firstly, 4 types, not divided into 4 parts. Okay, like ethical issue and developmental milestone and barriers and facilities and framework of adopting voluntary activities. ठीक है, so ethical arguments of euthanasia, there is no absolute right or wrong of euthanasia, as diverse interpretations are drawn from the basic of various ethical principles. Therefore, the view of euthanasia is different ethical perspective would be discussed. Okay, like ethical dilemma in practice, there is no absolute right or wrong of euthanasia, as diverse and interpretations are drawn from the basic of various ethical principles. Okay, so normally suggest condition. Okay, when which criteria should be ensured that implanting legal euthanasia. euthanasia means समझ रहे हो ना क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि जब कोई बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म से किसी डिजीज कंडीशन से कंटिन्यू सफर करता रहता है, ठीक है, तो उस टाइम पे क्या करते हैं, हम उसको रिलीव कर देते हैं, ठीक है, मतलब हम उनको डेड जो होने का उनका टाइम होता है, हम जो भी उसको फैसिलिटी देते हैं, जो भी हम मैनेजमेंट करते हैं, वो सब हम क्लोज कर देते हैं एक टाइम के बाद, ठीक है, तो ये वही कंडीशन है, ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या है, बहुत सारे प्लेसेस में, बहुत सारे स्टेट में, बहुत सारे कंट्री में डिफरेंट इसके लीगल और इश्यूज है ना, बहुत सारे इसके क्या है रूल्स, किस पेशेंट को किस कंडीशन में हम ये यूथेसिनिया प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, सो इसके जो कंडीशंस हैं वो है इंडिविजुअल मस्ट बी एटलीस्ट 18 years old, okay, and the person should be voluntary, informed, and well considered. Okay, free from concern and external pressure through. Okay, and individual should be competent to sign a written consent. Okay, without written consent, this is not legal, and mutual approval of a panel of expert including clinical psychologist, social worker, है ना, especially case nurse and 2 doctors is required. Okay, so this is a condition. Okay, and especially nurse role in euthanasia. So nurse are not the one conducting euthanasia, okay, but they are involved in this process, which shine beginning when the patient request for euthanasia. होता है ना, बहुत बार पेशेंट क्या करते हैं, बहुत टाइम से किसी डिजीज कंडीशन से सफर कर रहे होते हैं, तो वो खुद से ही क्या करते हैं, बोलते हैं ना कि अब हो गया बहुत, अब मैं नहीं जीना चाहता, मैं आगे अपनी लाइफ को और आगे नहीं करना चाहता, होता है ऐसे कुछ, जैसे लंग्स डिजीज कंडीशन होते हैं, या फिर ब्रेन डिजीज कंडीशन होते हैं, या फिर आपके कैंसर डिजीज होते हैं, है ना, तो इन सारे कंडीशंस में बहुत सारे पेशेंट ये रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो ये जो कंडीशन है यूथेसिनिया, ये कोई भी नर्स अकेले इसको नहीं कर सकती। अभी मैंने बताया ना आप लोग को कौन कौन से कंडीशंस हैं, उसके बाद जो नर्स का रोल है ना, नर्स आर नॉट द वंस कंडक्टिंग यूथेसिनिया, बट दे आर इन्वॉल्व इन दिस प्रोसेस, ओके, which beginning when the patient request for euthanasia, so and with providing support to the patient relative and health care after this act, है ना. It is vital for nurse to know their role during this process, and nurse should be open minded and non judgmental to aspect the euthanasia and request as nurse, है ना, professional attitude so could discourage patient from euthanasia. Okay, and nurse role in euthanasia can be divided into mainly three phases. Okay, three phases. First है pre. Okay, then second है normally intra. ठीक है, and then third है post. Okay, first phase is pre euthanasia. ठीक है, so this is the entire phase. Okay, from receiving euthanasia and request to sign a written consent, and it will be considered of assessment, consultations, and written consent during these phases. Okay, so firstly assessment. Nurse should listen to the patient carefully and to assess the underlying reason for requesting this process and the factor contributing to the decision. Okay, and improper request which originate from reliable suffering should be withdrawn and provided alternative method for the patient to avoid undignified death, है ना. So also patient should be assessed and the knowledge regarding his or her medical diagnosis and condition, prognosis, and other available alternative, including palliative care, to ensure the decision is well informed, as full disclosure is important in executing the right to self-determination freely. Okay, after that, then general conditions such as like physical examination, severity of illness, and a predictable condition of the patient should be assessed to ensure that patient fulfill the criteria of conducting this process, है ना. And nurse should be familiar with the assessment skill which would speed up the process and enhance the accuracy. Okay, patient family is also involved to assess their reaction on the request of this process. Okay, allow heartfelt communication. Understood, huh? Heartful communication between patient and family members. Okay, encourage ventilation on their emotions. Okay, and use active listening skill to identify their needs. And nurse should be sensitive and maintain professional manner when conducting this assessment. Okay, and this assessment time consultation, na, as mentioned in the condition, mutual agreement of a panel of expert is needed to process to this procedure. So this committees include clinical psychologist, okay, social worker, nurse, and doctor. So nurse become and advocate, which is a representative of the patient, providing information about the patient condition and their relatives wishes. Okay, so to allow patient prescriptive in condition in the consultations. Okay, and written consent is the most important first phase procedure. Okay, written consent means consent should be signed in a quiet room to ensure a non-disturbing environment. Okay, nurse then explain the consent with non-threatening tone and allow time for questions. Okay, and it is important for nurse to make ensure the patient and family completely understand and process of euthanasia. Okay, potential discomfort during the administration and patient right before the signature of written consent. Okay, and referring to act of euthanasia would be effect after 1 month of patient written request to allow
Audible, ma'am.
आ रही है ना आवाज?
Yes, ma'am. Now audible, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the first phase. Understood, huh? First phase.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then second phase. Okay, intra euthanasia. Initiation. This process preparing the patient and medication, है ना, to administering this process, and it should be conducted in a special room to provide peaceful environment, okay, for promoting human rights. Understood, huh? Properly medication administrating, and it should be conducted in a special room to provide peaceful environment, you know, for promoting human rights of die and with dignity and minimize disturbance of this procedure. Okay, so second phase for preparation, firstly intravenous access is set on the patient for injecting medication. Okay, then secondly procedure would be explained again to the patient and family members, and reasons that nurses will present in the process and give support to relieve their anxiety. Okay, then thirdly, nurse assist in preparing medication, include sedative agent, analgesic agent, okay, and label them properly, okay, and intravenous pre-medication like midazolam can be administered first to induce a light sleep if the patient does not wish to be aware of the moment of coma induction. Understood? समझ आ रहा है ना सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then secondly, all the assistance. Okay. This emergency shed should be prepared by nurse and used only under the instruction in protocol. Okay. Also, nurse should offer emotional support to family member if they present in the procedure. Okay. Then record. Second phase involve a nurse role for record. Okay. To evaluate the procedure, there should be keep a record of all used medication and involved situation and person, and the form including signed consent form, okay, pain assessment form, record of this process, and last office chart should be charted clearly, and the record of this process is similar to the record of operation theater, okay, which needed to record the date and time, place of the procedure, and healthcare professional involved and ranks. Okay, so the intravenous injection site and all given medication. Okay, so this is a second process. Okay, first process में हम क्या करते हैं, उनको समझाते हैं, है ना, उनसे उन चीजों के बारे में केयरफुली सुनते हैं, ठीक है, और उसके बाद क्या करते हैं, हम उसको असेस करते हैं कि सच में उनको प्रॉब्लम है या नहीं है, ठीक है, उनके फैमिली को उस चीज से हम बात करते हैं, फिर हम क्या करते हैं, उसके लिए कंसल्ट करते हैं ना, मतलब जितने भी उससे रिलेटेड उसके उस प्रोसीजर से रिलेटेड उनके इंफॉर्मेशन देना है वो हम देते हैं, ठीक है, फिर क्या करते हैं कि अगर वो एग्री है इन सारी चीजों के बाद भी, तो हम क्या करते हैं, रिटर्न उनसे एक रिटर्न फॉर्म, मतलब रिटर्न उनको साइन करवाते हैं कि हाँ ये प्रोसेस है, हम ये प्रोसेस करना चाहते हैं. दिस इज द फर्स्ट फेज. देन सेकंड फेज पे क्या होता है, हम क्या करते हैं सेकंड फेज में जो हमारा प्रोसीजर है उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं, इम्प्लांट करने के लिए प्रिपेयर होते हैं, है ना, मेडिकेशन हो गया, पेशेंट हो गया, पेशेंट की फैमिली हो गई, जितने भी हमारे मेडिकेशंस हैं उसमें प्रॉपर लेबलिंग करना, ये सब क्या है आपका सेकंड प्रोसेस है. सेकंड प्रोसेस में और क्या है, जितने भी प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं, है ना, चाहे वो इमोशनल सपोर्ट हो, फैमिली मेंबर्स को, किसी को भी जो भी प्रोसीजर है वो सबको प्रिपेयर करना. एंड थर्ड है सेकंड फेज में रिकॉर्ड. ओके, रिकॉर्ड प्रॉपर मेंटेन करना होता है कि उस रूम में कौन कौन उस प्रोसीजर में कौन कौन इन्वॉल्व है, उनके फैमिली मेंबर से कौन है, उनका साइन, ठीक है, सब कुछ उसमें टाइम डेट, ठीक है, ये सब कुछ उसमें रिकॉर्ड करना होता है. ये है आपका सेकंड फेज. देन थर्ड फेज आता है क्या, पोस्ट, ठीक है, पोस्ट यूथैलेसिमिया. So this is the last phase, okay, from certifying death of patient to supporting patient family, and after the doctor certified the death, okay, so nurse can explain to family about the case of euthanasia and process to the last office procedure, okay, even though the decision is deliberating made and grieving process and feeling of guilt in family member may rise. So emotional support like giving resources and listening to their feelings should be provided to them, okay, and it required good communication skill and counseling skill in nurses, okay, and timely referral to counselor is beneficial for family whose emotion is uncontrolled, okay. So in addition, all unused this process agent should return to pharmacy for appropriate disposal and prevention of improper use of euthanatic agent, and incident evaluation from should be filled in for occurrence of unexpected problem and like underdose. So this is a third phase, okay, and third phase is involve being intensely debated for more decades globally, okay, was a sensitive topic related to one's choice and death, है ना? So it is a highly complicated issue involved in implications in different aspects such as medical, moral, social, okay. So the report reviewed voluntary active euthanasia, and which refer to an international action administered by physicians through injecting drug to end a life, okay, so to relieve the unbearable suffering of the patient, and other classification of euthanasia were also introduced, okay. So when it comes to determining whether euthanasia should be legalized in a country or not, so ethical dilemma occurs. Doctors are expected to save lives, okay, assisting in suicide, so will they must respect patient and right to choose, okay, for ethical principles, and to argument on euthanasia and including autonomy, है ना, right to do wrong, code of ethics and religious view, okay. So this is a process, understood, huh? What process it is euthanasia?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last part once more repeat, ma'am.
Last means conclusions, na, matlab what is anesthesia all over. So anesthesia being intensely debated for more to disaffect globally, okay. This is a sensitive topic, hai na, related to one's own choice and death. So it is a highly complicated issue involving implications in different aspects, okay. Same medical, moral, है ना, ethical, social, है ना, emotional. So report viewed voluntary active euthanasia, which refer to an intentional action administered by physician, है ना, through injecting legal drug, है ना, to end a life. So to relieve the unbreakable suffering of the patient, okay, and this is a normal euthanasia not only can shift medical resources to other level of care but also being benefit to terminally ill patient, है ना. I already told you na what is terminally ill patient. टर्मिनली इल पेशेंट का मैंने क्लास ले लिया है ना आप लोगों का.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सो ये क्या है, उनके लिए एक बेनिफिट ही है टर्मिनली इन पेशेंट्स के लिए, ठीक है. बट दिस एंड फ्रेमवर्क ऑन हाउ टू रन euthanasia in nurse, huh, perspective in especially other countries. 7 condition of performing anesthesia were suggested. There were 3 phases of carrying, है ना, out anesthesia, including pre, intra, and post. Okay, and the role of nurse in which phases of anesthesia was emphasized. So in this pre, है ना, pre anesthesia phase, nurse must equip and professional assessment skill and communication skill, okay, and act as an advocate, to protect patient's right. And during the intra-euthanasia phases in nurse would assist in preparing medication, monitoring the patient condition and document properly and provide support to the family member, okay. And in the post phase, nurse can provide emotional support, okay, to the relatives, make referral if necessary, return the unused agent to pharmacy and fill the incidence evaluation form, okay. So euthanasia not only can shift medical resources to other level of care but also bring benefit to terminally ill patient. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ऑर्गन डोनेशन. क्या समझ में आता है ऑर्गन डोनेशन से, बताइए. ऑन योर वीडियो ऑल ऑफ यू.
Ma'am, organ donation is nothing but donate organ after death. Any disabled patient.
सो ऑर्गन डोनेशन आपको पता है कहाँ, मतलब कैसे होता है, क्या उसका रूल्स है, कुछ पता है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Organ donation is the process, है ना? When a person allow an organ of their own to be removed and transplant to other person, okay, especially legally, है ना? Either by consent will the doctor is alive or dead with the essence of the next to knee. Okay, so this is a organ transplant. Okay, means organ transplant is the last suggestion procedure in case of organ failure, है ना, and is undertaken only in critical case and emergency medical situation. Okay, in this situation, at the critical end of organ failure, healthy organ, organ for transplant from a person leaving a decreased in transplanted into the organ transplant receipt, and offering them new chance of survival. Okay, so this is a normal organ transplant or organ donation. Okay, our organ transplant donation help people suffering from chronic illness to live a more fulfilled life and healthier, and one up to a normal life span. So organ transplantation may be required in case of genetic organ defect such as congenital heart defect, okay, and any kidney disease, है ना. किडनी डिजीज बहुत बार सुना होगा ना, किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट कर रहे हैं, किडनी डोनेट कर रहे हैं, है ना. तो दिस इज अ genetic organ defect cases, okay, and polycystic kidney disease, and such cases medication can fall short of making a difference in lifestyle of lifespan of the patient. Okay, chronic or acquired condition such as like diabetes or a physical injury can also be reason for a requirement for an organ transplant surgery. Okay, and organ for transplant include the lungs, heart, pancreas, kidney, liver, intestine. Okay, and transplant for the face and body are also being undertaken more recently, है ना. So of this, normally kidney transplant are usually undertaken as the most common form of the organ transplant and see a high organ transplant success rate. ओके, एंड आई डोनेशन, ये भी अभी सुना होगा, बहुत अभी है ना, आई डोनेशन. सो विल द
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
अभी भी मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है?
Now getting.
Now okay.
आ रही है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Audible.
Okay. So, will the organ transplant process is becoming more common over the year, है ना? With senior citizen being the most common demographic undergoing organ transplantation in development countries. Okay, and organ transplant surgery procedure remain a complex one, involving many delicate steps and requiring a highly skilled team of surgical experts. Okay, so this criteria for organ transplant or donation include a battery of tests to determine the kind of donor organ to best fit the recipient. Okay, so and prevent organ transplant rejection. So donor matching is the major part of the organ transplant process. Okay, and in case of kidney transplant, very often a living family member with the same blood type is the donor of the organ to reduce chance of organ transplant rejection. है ना? So once it is determined by doctor that a patient is due to undergo and the organ donation transplantation process, they are then placed on an organ transplant waiting list to await a donor organ. Okay, and the requirements for organ transplant require critical organ failure is the recipient patient, and once they are placed on the organ transplant list. Okay, so health of the patient is monitored at regular intervals to determine the feasibility of the organ transplant process, and once an organ become available. Okay, organ matching is a critical part of the organ transplant process where age, है ना, and organ transplant history, okay, means blood type matching and severe such criteria for organ transplantation, okay, are considered at the time of putting the patient on an organ transplant waiting list, as well as the time for organ transplant surgery near, है ना. So considering the severity of condition requiring organ transplant, the organ transplant guidelines surrounding the entire process are strict and continually monitored. Okay, and why is an organ transplant done? So organ transplant is done when a critical organ in the body is function very poorly, है ना, and last time, है ना, and determined to ultimately fail and causes mortality. So to prevent the death of a patient whose organ failure is already determined, doctor will suggest organ transplantation as an end state measure. Okay, after determining suitability of such a procedure on the patient, some of the chronic condition, so that require an organ transplant due to terminal organ failure include chronic kidney disease, any acute diabetes, congenital heart disease, and a liver failure, any injury, accident and injury are also reason, है ना, that an organ transplant process may be suggest. Okay, and organ transplant offer a recipient a new lease of life in case, है ना, where they are determined to most survive due to end stage. So critical organ failure and currently organ transplant surgery has become highly specialized to cater to significant population, okay, that can be benefited by organ transplantation. Okay, and will organ transplant was essential restricted to transplantation of vital organs. Okay, today medical and surgical processes have developed to allow transplantation of several organs that allow not only a longer life expect but an involved na, but improved quality of life to recipient patient.